And the ninth principle of resilient intimacy is affection. So, as I spoke about before, attuned touch is a basic human need. And as adults, we have the need for nurturing touch that is comforting and non-sexual, as well as the need for sexual touch and arousal and desire and feeling wanted and all the brain chemistry and everything and energy and connection that can go with that. So affection is another essential ingredient for really healthy, thriving, sustainable relationships. And in my intimacy coaching work with couples, I do a lot of work with creating what often there's a mismatch in sexual desire and arousal in the couple. And so I have a lot of tools and practices and games and experiments to and rituals to bring in more to create more resonance between the two energetically, to help open the hearts and create more safety emotionally, and to bring in more sensual nourishment as a step separate from sexual. So to really differentiate between, they're on a spectrum and they can intermingle, but to be able to really have a container for, let's experiment with sensual nourishment, because usually both people are getting starved for sensual nourishment when the sex isn't in alignment. And so starting there to like actually start watering the roots of the plant of the intimacy, of the physical intimacy, and discovering and feeling safer, because that's also a way of feeling safe in our bodies. And then having the communication skills to be able to communicate about sex, which a lot, it can have a lot of landmines. So to be able to actually communicate directly about sex, and then do these experiments, and then learn practices to bring more presence, more attunement, more consciousness into our touch and into our lovemaking, and bring that whole tantric element into our physical connection.